Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Fallout 3. First, ensure your game is properly installed on a compatible system. It is crucial to apply all official patches, and then consider installing community-made unofficial patches to address hundreds of known bugs. Finally, take some time to adjust your graphics settings for the best balance of performance and visual fidelity, ensuring a smooth experience from the start. Once you are in the Capital Wasteland, mastering combat is key. The Vault-Tec Assisted Targeting System, or VATS, allows for precise, tactical attacks. Remember to manage your inventory weight carefully, as carrying too much will slow you down. Invest in skills such as lockpicking and science to access new areas and opportunities. Every time you level up, choose a perk to significantly boost your character's unique strengths. The Capital Wasteland is a vast and dangerous place, full of secrets waiting to be discovered. Take your time to explore every corner. You will find hidden locations, valuable loot, and interesting characters. Follow the main story quests to uncover the central narrative, but do not forget the many side quests offering unique rewards and deeper lore. You can also recruit up to 2 companions to fight alongside you. As you play, your character will grow stronger. Earn experience points by completing quests and defeating enemies to level up. Each level, you will gain skill points to allocate, improving your combat prowess or utility skills. Survival is paramount. Always monitor your health, radiation levels, and the condition of your equipment. Your decisions throughout the game will have lasting consequences, shaping the fate of the Capital Wasteland.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.